Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in today. Gorgeous, you're welcome. So today is a try on her from SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. We always appreciate. So gorgeous, I have some things to share with you guys. You guys know summer is here. Summer is here, so I'm bouncing, okay? This piece I picked for you guys are going to love them because they are summer vibe. They are summer vibe. This one I'm wearing here, this is not summer vibe, but it's still summer vibe. Summer vibe anyway. When I'm traveling, I like being free. You understand? That is why I like all this form of two-piece. Okay, so this one is Slay Diva two-piece set. I took size 38, that's my size. If I want it really large, I wear medium, but if I want it snatchy, I wear X. Okay, yeah, because my sizing is a little bit trickish. By the way, if you want to get bump on SHEIN, just search this, go to this, search all these stores you're seeing right here. You're going to get the best of the best, and don't forget to download SHEIN app. Download their app, SHEIN, and you're going to get amazing stuff from SHEIN. Believe me. So guys, I want to share with you guys all this that I got from them, okay, from SHEIN, and I'm going to try them on also for you guys to see. Don't forget to check all these stores, like I said, and a discount code will be included, okay, on the description box. You can use my code 6CHELSEA911. I'm going to leave it on the screen and also on the description box. And also guys, don't forget to check all these stores that are listed here, all the stores here. Don't forget to check them, okay? Just go to the search section, type the name of each of the store. It's just going to appear on your screen or whatever device you're using. Then go through, you're going to see some amazing stuff in there. This two-piece, it has something to tighten it by the side. You see, you can just like tighten it by the side, okay? If you don't want it free, you see this, you can just draw this and tie it, or just shocking it, whatever, okay, by the side. And also the trouser, it has elastic, and this is the side of it. You can just zip it upward. Pardon if you're hearing any noise, okay, because my hubby is doing some things in the kitchen. I'm close to the kitchen, so just pardon that noise. So here you can zip it up like this if you want, you see, or bring it down anyhow you want it. Yeah, if you want it open like this, it's not left for you. You can zip it upward too. Yeah, it's giving. I've got some earrings. How gorgeous is this? Look at these earrings. Can you guys see this earring? They are so beautiful, so lovely. I like the way they are. Okay, with this stone, is this stone or crystals? I don't know how to call this. These pearls. With these pearls here, you can see they are so gorgeous. I'm going to wear them. Let me wear them so that you guys can see it on my ear. I like the way they are not too big. They are just so perfect, the size. Yeah, let me show you guys the earring. You see it here? They are so lovely. I love them. The next thing I want to share with you guys is these sunglasses. Who talk about summer without sunglasses? When you talk of summer, you cannot just do without sunglasses. You cannot do without sunglasses when it's summer. So I picked this pair of sunglasses. They are from this store here, SHEIN ICON. This is it. It came in this case, which is so cute. I really like the case. This is it. So portable, you can enter your purse. I love it. And it came with see, they put it in a bag like this. Okay, and it came with, okay, a pieces of whatever to clean your sunglasses. We're going to try this on. I really like that they've added this case to it. So we're going to wear this to see. Let me show you guys. This is how it is. This is how it looks. So gorgeous, black. I really like it. It looks like something from let me not talk. Let me hold on. Let me just end it there, okay? So let me wait for you guys to see. So see how it fits. I love it. You cannot do without sunglasses during the summer. You need this. You need sunglasses. And this is giving. It's giving me balls as a boss lady. You guys understand?
I want you to make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like just thinking that you made me go on and on and on and on. Yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐 come on outside. Tell me when you want it.
The next thing is this bracelet from SHEIN ICON. Let me bring them out for you guys to see. So guys, this is it. They are from SHEIN ICON. You see, it's like two they put together. I really like these. Let me wear it in my hand for you guys to see. So this is it. See it first. Can you guys see it? I like these star details that are, see? I like the star details that are inside here. You can see those stars here. It's so gorgeous. I just like it. I like it. Let me wear it for you guys to see so that you can see it in my hand. Yeah, it's lovely. I like it. Then the other thing I want to share with you guys are these small earrings. They are from SHEIN Sexy. They are just little small earrings. See them here. I don't know if you guys can see them very well because I have so many holes on my ears. Look at them. Can you guys see them? Okay, they are so tiny, but I like it because they are so discreet. I don't know if discreet is French or English. So they are so tiny, really tiny. I don't know if you guys can see them, really tiny. If you wear them, maybe I'll wear them and show you guys at the end of this video. Maybe I'll just wear to show you guys. Yeah, I went for baby pink. Okay, see how lovely is this. Let me remove the paper from it. I like the way that it's simple. See, so simple with this key here. Open this, the inside. So many things can enter, your phone, your makeup, your lipstick, everything can go in here. And it's like the fabric, the material is like cocoa. Yeah, that is it. Okay. See the detail. It's lovely. I like it. It's simple, not too dramatic, just something very simple. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Okay, and I have another bag here. It's from SHEIN Sexy too. This one is a clutch, kind of a clutch. Okay, is it clutch they call this? Pardon me if it's not clutch, but this one don't even have it does not have any strap. I was thinking it came with a strap, but no, it doesn't have strap, but it has some detail, some gold detail here. Okay, you can see it's beautiful. I like it. It's simple and beautiful. Okay, so this is it. You can see the detail. I like it. It's white. I don't know why camera is showing. Okay, maybe if I go this way it's better. Okay, I think it's better here. You guys can see it. I will zoom it later for you guys to see. And the inside, just like that. Okay, so many things can go into. Yeah. So guys, that is it. The next things, I'm just going to wear them and try them for you guys to see. Let me style them, then I will write the names of the store on them, and don't forget to use the discount code to get some percentage off. Alright guys, let's try the rest things out. So the top is from SHEIN Sexy, while this jean is from SHEIN Icon, something like that, I think so, if I'm not mistaken. So I had to pair the two together. Look at it. I really like the fabric of the top. This is really summer, okay, and I like the detail in front of it. But you cannot wear this with that with bra, okay? I need to sellotape my boobs so that they can stand very well.
For the light, so bad to you. My heart is racing, I can't help myself. You never look my way, I'm stuck in this headspace. I've been daydreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky, always dreaming, still out of reach, but in my mind I see us clearly, you and I, building castles in the sky, holding on. Maybe I should let you go. Something about you feel like home, stuck in my head like a favorite song. Can't fight it, I just sing along, don't care what they say. Our love is different, I like it. Watching from a distance, I'm trying to keep my cool. My heart is racing, I can't help myself. I've been there dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky, always dreaming, still out of reach, but in my mind I see us clearly, you and I, building castles in the sky, always dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky.
So guys, just don't hesitate to use that discount code and search all the stores here, okay, on SHEIN. You're going to see so many beautiful outfits for this summer. You're not going to regret it. SHEIN is popping. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
I watch your stories,